Hello, welcome to Sherry's Fun Fan Classroom. Today we will learn about the wiring method of AC fan without communication function. Take one of the K3G225 series as an example. The yellow and green wires are connected to the ground wire PE. The black wire is connected to the live wire L. The power wire is connected to the neutral wire N. The blue wire is connected to G and D. The yellow wire is connected to the positive pole of 0 to 10 voltage or the PWM control signal. Please pay attention to the range of the PWM voltage. Some fans can only receive 5 voltage PWM signals. Please refer to the specifications for details. The red wire outputs 10 voltage DC. It can be connected with the potentiometer to the yellow wire to achieve stepless speed regulation of the fan. The white wire is connected to the speed output and requires an external pull-up resistor. Have you got it? Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.